honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Trying to stay cool, y'all. Just made me a fruit smoothie, and it's really good and refreshing. Well, anyway, I'm getting ready to air fry me a steak that I had washed, marinated, and seasoned and froze. So I'm going to cook this from frozen in my air fryer. And I'll be using my Cicero 5.8 quart air fryer. I love my vacuum sealer, y'all. And the way I do, it smells good and it's frozen. The way I do is when I get the meat in here, most of the time, I wash it right then, season and marinate it, and then vacuum seal it so it's ready to cook. You got to do nothing but slide it on in the air fryer. So, I will be back. Since it's frozen, I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but it's on the steak setting, 400 for 6 minutes. I know it's going to take longer than 6 minutes for medium well, so I'll try 7, 8. I'll try 9 minutes. Okay. I will be back. And before y'all ask me what is Walter gonna eat, this is what he's eating tonight. Some already done ribs he's gonna doctor up and put in the air fryer. He's already fixed his potatoes. 4 potatoes in there. And I guess he'll fix a salad. My husband ain't starving, y'all. Okay, I had put another 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I had put another 4 minutes on it. It still has 2 minutes left. I'm going to cut it off now. And just let it sit for a couple minutes. I want it medium well, but I don't want it try to bite me back and say moo when I cut into it. I don't want to see no blood. I can see a little pinkness, and that's okay. But I don't want nothing that's still walking through the grass saying moo. So I'm put some Heinz 57 sauce. Put some of this whiskey barbecue sauce on it. Got this from Walmart. And some Worcestershire, what's this here sauce. Got a corner left. But first I'm going to cut it for y'all so y'all can see how it looks before I put anything on it. Okay, here we go. That's how the back looks. Juicy. I hope ain't no blood. I'm so ready to eat. Get these little fries up. People always ask me what's my favorite air fryer because I got a bunch of air fryers. They all cook very well. But the Cicero, out of all the ones that I have, Cicero cleans up very well, better than all the rest. I'll clean this later. Okay, I'm going to cut this. Okay. Please don't let it be bleeding. You know what? I got a meat thermometer. I forgot to put the link down in the description box when I talked about this before. Okay. $134, $144, $148, $150. Let's stick it somewhere else. $53. Okay, this is done. But I hope it's to my likeness. Okay, hello. I didn't take no thumbnail. It's still some pinkness, but it's tender and so juicy. Try to put this piece back in here so I can take a picture. I'll glue that back together. Just leave it. That's the redness of it. Okay, so the juice is very juicy. I'm gonna taste it and see how tender it is. First, I'm gonna put my sauce on it. Okay, here's my medium. It's more medium than medium well. I don't know what kind of steak this is, because when I shopped Instacart, I asked for one kind of steak and the girl brought me this, so I don't know what it is. Got my potato wedges. I got Heinz 57 sauce on the steak and the whiskey barbecue sauce on it and some Worcestershire sauce. About to get my eat on. Now we're gonna see together how tender it is. That's the way to go, y'all. Buy your food, buy your meat, wash them, marinate them, vacuum seal them, and freeze them. Then they're ready to cook. I think this took 13 minutes to cook from frozen. So it's medium. So tender. Juicy. I feel stupid if I drop this plate. Flavorful. Okay. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I think that glitch that YouTube had with them unsubscribing me from a lot of people, well, I think it's fixed now. Okay, so y'all be blessed. Bye. Bon appetit.